In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the phrase shipping calculated at checkout from your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to create a more transparent and user-friendly shopping experience, clarifying your shipping details can make a huge difference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your Shopify store, so head over to the Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, navigate to the home screen of your store's dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage and customize various aspects of your online store. Next, you're going to want to find and click on the online store option. This section is crucial as it houses all the theme related settings for your store, which is where we need to make our changes. Within your online store, look at the navigation panel on the left hand side and select themes. Themes are what dictate the overall look and feel of your store, and you'll find that customizing them allows you to precisely control what your customers see. You'll see a list of themes available for your store. On the current active theme, locate the menu icon, which looks like 3 dots. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Edit Default Theme Content. This option allows you to tweak and tailor the built-in language and phrasing of your store's default setup. Once you're in the editing mode, look for the Sections tab. This is where most of the customizable content blocks are held. Sections are essentially the building blocks of your Shopify store's pages, and here you'll find various text elements that can be edited to better suit your business needs. Within the Sections tab, search for the option that mentions taxes being included with shipping at checkout but without a policy explanation. This specific setting is what includes the automatic phrasing we intend to change or remove. When you find it, take a closer look at how it's currently structured. Having clarity in this stage will help in making effective edits. Now you have a couple of options. You can either remove the phrase entirely if it doesn't serve your communication goals, or you can edit it to something more customer friendly. For example, if you offer free shipping, you might replace it with free shipping on all orders. After making the necessary changes, be sure to hit the save button. Saving your changes is crucial as it ensures all your hard work isn't lost, and it applies the updates to your live store. Just like that, you've successfully removed or edited the shipping calculated at checkout text on your Shopify store. With these simple steps, you've enhanced the clarity of your checkout process. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you next time with more e-commerce tips.